Ohio.
Motherfucking police, steady booming in the project. Motherfucking police, I'm steady booming in the project.
Them junkies keep on coming back and forth cause they getting sprung. Tasting my dope, yeah it's real, got they tongue numb. When I was 15 going on 16 I was broke as hell. Hanging in the view, you know I need to find some work to sell. Called my brother Yellow, he was deep up in the dope game. Asked him for a second, he was acting real lame. Started with a 16, turned that to a mixtape. Booming in these cars, ha ha, got my own bass, I'm booming, I'm bunking. Been getting it since the 90s. Pull up in the hood, hopping out, kissing babies. Know I had the money, I'ma get me a Mercedes. And I put that on the milk, kinda like a missing baby. I'm shining, I'm gliding, I'm pushing all through Maslin. Getting to this money, so it's calculated trafficking. Fans steady trying to build a case, but they can't solve it. Fuck the police, I'm steady booming in them projects.
Motherfucking police, I'm steady booming in the project. Motherfucking police, I'm steady booming in the project.
I finally got my Mercedes gold rollie in my grill up. Watch me hit the block, you can see the money build up. From the PJs on the PJs with the wheels up. You ain't gotta feel us, we get it how we live, bruh. Started me a label, BCG, blue collar gang. Midwest hustler, do my thing, let my nuts hang. 24-hour pharmacy, like a Walgreens. Hustle like a ball team, yeah, until we all clean. Hip-hop police on me, they think it's more than rap. Used to run the trap, slinging packs, now we running rap. D-boys tell the DJ run it back, this they anthem. Marching on the block till the bands come. Task force tried to sweep us out like a sandstorm. Still found a bed full of money I can land on. Didn't do the crack, but this rap got me living large. So fuck the police, I'm steady booming in them projects. Fuck the police, I'm steady booming in them projects. Fuck the police, I'm steady booming in them projects.
What are we doing out here, man?
Bro, we're like riding bikes and
No coke. Snorted ever in my life.
Elevate the motherfucking game.
He's doing this shit on a fucking Harley, man.